The numbers look strong. Non-building starts up 18.7%. Construction jobs up 66,000 this winter. Manufacturing back in growth mode. But that's only half the truth. GDP slowed to 0.7%. Private hiring hovers near historic lows. And tariff policy turbulence brings the average rate to 11.6%, with more uncertainty ahead. Momentum and hesitation. Expansion and restraint. It's all true and happening at the same time. In a market like this, what happens before construction begins matters more than ever. Field insight, earlier risk alignment. AI used with judgment, not autopilot. The job site of the future starts long before ground is broken. It starts with smarter decisions. See what's shaping 2026 in the Q1 Construction Market Update.